Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Amazon Seller Central, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Amazon Seller Central, navigate to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. Log into your existing Seller Central account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the Settings drop-down menu to reveal more options. Select User Permissions from the list of options presented. On the User Permissions page, look for the section titled Grant a User Access. Enter the first name, last name, and email address. Designate the level of access you want to grant by selecting appropriate permissions for the user. Be sure to review the permissions carefully to ensure they match your requirements. Once you've confirmed the permissions, click the Send Invitation button. The invited user will receive an email prompt to accept the invitation. Instruct them to check their email and follow the link to accept the invitation. After accepting, they will be redirected to a page to create an Amazon Seller Central account if they do not already have one. The new user should complete the registration process by providing the necessary details. They'll need to verify their identity through the information requested during the registration process. Once the invited user completes their registration, return to the User Permissions page in your Seller Central account. Confirm that the new user appears on the list with the correct permissions displayed. If adjustments are needed, you can modify their permissions from this page. For further changes or to remove permission, click the Edit or Remove button next to their name. With the steps completed, the user will now have access to Amazon Seller Central as per the permissions you specified. You have successfully authorized a new user within Amazon Seller Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.